Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. Today is Wednesday the 12th. I've been up for a while now, but I was just working on some emails, paying some bills online. You know, some boring stuff, so didn't want to bore you guys with that. I'm actually doing laundry too right now. But basically, so I leave Saturday for Florida, and usually I'm the type of girl who packs the night before. I'm very last minute, but today's Wednesday, like I said. I'm trying to pack or at least sort out all my outfits today. First off, so I could film it for you guys so you guys could see how I pack, how I come up with my outfits. Second off, because Thursday and Friday I'm really busy in the mornings, and that's like the best time to film with the light. So I figured today I could start to pack. So let me quickly show you what I've been doing these past few weeks. So, okay, so basically I come up with a list on my phone just in my notes. I don't even know if it's gonna pick this up. Okay, well, literally it just says, like, I start to think of outfits in my head, because this is like, I'm crazy and that's like what I like to do. So I write all the outfits that I want to wear, everything down to the sunglasses, the shoe. This way when I go to pack, I throw in everything that I think I need, like all my basics, and then I'll go through these outfits and make sure I have it. So for example, polka dot off the shoulder top, white flare jeans, gold belt, white mules. So now when I pack, I'm gonna make sure I have everything for that outfit. Then I have white loose dress, black fedora, black western boots, western bag, and western belt. So this way when I pack for that outfit, I'll make sure I have all that. And basically I have like 15 outfits of that because I'm going for 12 days and I wanted to have an outfit for each day and a few extras for nighttime. I honestly got too lazy to start packing. So I either will probably start that tomorrow or Friday. I just like can't even think about getting my suitcase out and just having it sitting in my room for a few days. So yeah, I'm literally running to get a manicure. This is the outfit I've been wearing nonstop for the past 2 days. It's so comfy. I just have these joggers on, this sweatshirt and matching jacket you guys saw when I went to dinner with Frankie, but I've literally been living in it. It's just so cozy. I'm gonna go get a manicure. I'm gonna grocery shop. I'm leaving in 2 days, so I only need to get 1 or 2 things just to hold me over until I leave. But yeah, that is what I'm going to do right now. I just got home from Trader Joe's, and since I'm leaving in 2 days, I literally got like nothing, but I figured I would show you, so why not? These were very much an impulse buy. They were right by the cashier, and I don't know, they just looked good. They're like goldfish, basically. I got a small carton of eggs because I'm leaving Saturday, otherwise I usually would have gotten a regular size. I got feta cheese just to put in my salads for the next 2 lunches. I got tomato soup, which I think I'm gonna have for lunch today, which I also got a wrap. This is just the Italian style wrap, which I think I'll have this with half the soup for lunch today. And then I got this smoked salmon for breakfast because I have bagels in my freezer. So I figured if I don't wanna cook eggs one morning, I can make a bagel with smoked salmon. And then I got 1 avocado. Usually I would get more, but once again I'm leaving. So all of this cost $21, which seems like a lot, but it's really not, because like if you were to go to Whole Foods or anywhere, this would be so much more, because like this is expensive, this was, you know, a little bit more. But yeah, and then before that I got my nails done. I went with white. Lately I've been doing, can you see? Lately I've been doing whites a lot because I used to always get like really dark colors in the winter, like what's the color? It's the OPI. I forget the name. I used to get like really dark browns, navies, or blacks, and I haven't really been into that this fall and winter, and I feel like especially because I'm going to Florida, I really wanted to keep it neutral, white, and then I'm also getting spray tan tomorrow, so it'll look really good with my tan. So right now I just got home. I'm just gonna make a quick lunch, and then we'll check in with you guys. Alright guys, so I'm going to a 7:30 workout class. It's 7:03, so I just put on my workout pants. I have a sports bra under, but it's really cold, even in the classes lately, so I feel like this top is cute because it's like cropped and whatever. So I have very little makeup on from earlier, but I like to work out with no makeup on. So I'll show you how I just quickly take that off before the gym. I feel like it's just really bad for your skin, so I'm going in with just quickly my Garnier micellar water and this little cotton pad thing, and just quickly taking off my makeup. I really didn't have that much on today. I only had a tinted moisturizer, so it really won't take that long, but I like to just work out with a clean face so I don't have to worry about the makeup kind of like, you know, setting into my skin as I'm working out. And I just want my skin to be able to breathe and sweat out all the toxins, so I highly suggest to not work out with makeup on. It's really bad for you. All right guys, I just ordered in sushi. Oh, I'm so excited. It's from this place Bondi that's in Flatiron, I think. But honestly, I really didn't vlog much today. I was so busy today, I didn't even pack yet. I'm just gonna pack tomorrow, and I think I'm just gonna combine today and tomorrow's vlog, but I'm just gonna eat this and get some work done, and then just start to plan my outfits that I have to pack. Good morning, guys. Today is Friday, right? Yeah, Friday. I got a lot of stuff done this morning because I leave tomorrow for 12 days and I just had to get a bunch of stuff done. So I went to the bank, I went to the pharmacy to pick up my prescription, I shot 2 looks with Roxy, I had to get like just like a bunch of boring stuff like that. I have not started to pack yet, even though I was supposed to Wednesday, I just never did. So I'm gonna pack now. So I think I'm gonna just kind of show you how I pack rather than show you what I pack, because that's like tedious and a lot of crap, and you'll see in my photos. But I'll show you kind of how I plan out each outfit and then how to fit it all into a suitcase. Because I'm going for 12 days, I obviously am gonna have a lot of shoes and a lot of bags and a lot of clothes, just a lot of everything. So I want to show you kind of how I fit it into one huge checked bag and then a little carry-on. All right, so now as you can see, I'm starting to lay stuff out of my bed. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm going in order from my outfit. So orange crop top, Levi's jeans, white sneakers, hair up, Alexander Wang bag. I literally have it down to my hair up. So now I'm just going back and forth. Ow, mother. Orange top, Levi's jeans, Alexander Wang bag. Okay, so as you can see, I started to lay everything out by outfit, but then I just kind of to throw all this extra crap on top. But everything that I had planned in an outfit is on my bed right now. These are the shoes that I decided to pair. So these are for the gym. These are my airport sneaks that I'll wear anytime I need a white sneaker down there. These are just my white mules I figured for during the day with white jeans, whatever, to go out to nice dinners. A flat sandal for the pool, which I have a lot of sandals down there anyway, so I'm only bringing one pair. This flat pair of Western boots to go with my sundresses. My Gucci loafers to go with, like, honestly anything, even a white button down and jean shorts. Like, so many options these could go with, and they're so comfy. And then a black sandal for nice dinners and going out. So 8 shoes, I know that's a lot, but for 8 days I feel like, or 12 days, I feel like that's not that bad. And yeah, so I gotta put that all in here. So what I do is I put the shoes at the bottom. I put the shoes in first, so let's start with that. My Western boots. I don't even know if you guys can see what I'm doing. At the bottom, also because you just don't want the dirtiness on your clothes. My workout sneaks. Def need that. Def gonna work out down there. Okay, another tip for packing is any designer items you guys have, if you can, try to pack them in your carry-on. I know of many of my friends who their stuff has gotten stolen, and I just can't imagine like getting to your destination and you look in your bag and like all your designer stuff is stolen. So like my Gucci loafers, any designer bags that I'm bringing, I leave out because I put those in my carry-on. This way I make sure that I have them the entire time. So yeah, so Gucci loafers I'm gonna leave out, I'll put in my carry-on. You could also wrap your shoes in plastic, which I sometimes do, but I'm bringing too many to do that. Like, you know what I use? I use the ASOS. Whenever I order from ASOS, which is a lot, they wrap each item in plastic, and rather than wasting that plastic, I save it, and anytime I shoot, I put my shoes in them. But that's also a really good tip for packing too, is to wrap your shoes in plastic. I just know me, and I'm gonna be like ripping through my suitcase, so like as soon as I take them out of the plastic, I probably won't put them back in. I am actually gonna wrap these white mules just because they're really nice and clean, and they're leather, so I don't want anything to kind of scratch them. So just like a plastic bag like that. It honestly doesn't take up any more additional room, and this way your nicer shoes are protected. The rest are like my black shoes that I feel like can can do it. Okay, so let me show you this. That honestly didn't take up as much room as I thought. And now I'm going to put all the bags and then clothing on top, and the key is to roll all of your clothing. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in with the bigger clothing items. I don't pack, hold on, let me move this. I don't pack it in the suitcase per outfit. I only lay it out to make sure I have everything, and then now I remember the outfits. So basically I roll all of my clothing. You fit so much more when you roll. So this is just a pair of jeans. And then you just start to line the bottom of the suitcase. Since these are white, I'll put them on the shoes that have the plastic. And then any outfit that I know I'm wearing the first or second day, like this one I'm wearing Sunday, I'll try to keep close to the top, so like I'm not ruining my suitcase like the first day that I'm there. I tried to limit my jeans because it is warm down there and I have a lot of dresses and shorts to wear, but you never know for going out, and it has been getting in like the 40s at night, my mom says, so I don't really know, but I figured I would bring to have options. I'm the type of person, I would rather overpack than underpack. I would way rather have more options. I mean, luckily it's where I'm from, so like I could borrow from my mom or my sister, but I still like to make sure. So now so basics I just throw in. I don't really plan them with an outfit, so I brought a black t-shirt, a black bodysuit, a black crop, 2 white t-shirts, and a white crop, because I live in these, and especially days when I'm just running around and I don't have time to even like think of an outfit, I will just throw on like a white tee or something with jean shorts and a bag and call it a day. Most of the time I do that when I'm like running errands with my mom during the day. So I'm just gonna finish rolling up all this stuff. I leave kind of this corner for my toiletry bag, my cosmetic bag, and you know, anything like that. In here I just put my belts, my bathing suit, which of course I'll add in like socks, underwear, you know, other bathing suits, stuff like that. In this part that zips, I sometimes put liquids in there just in case if it spills it's zip, and that's a little bit more protection. But as you could see, you could fit so much in here. And then I know it's like a mess and you're like kind of like, how are you gonna find anything? But once I get home, I unpack in like wherever room I'm staying in. And this way I'm just trying to get it all down there. So I feel like this is a really good tip to roll your clothes and then to put your shoes on the bottom. So now starting my little carry-on, I put, like I said, all my designer crap. So, well, I wouldn't call it crap. Designer bags, designer shoes, anything worth your valuables, medications, jewelry, always try to carry on if possible. I put jewelry in here and also all my sunglasses just so they don't get lost or broken, and then this way I have it all with me and I know it's safe and sound. Alright guys, I am tired and I am kind of overpacking tonight. I think tomorrow I'm going to pack my toiletries and makeup because that's easiest, because you like as I use each product I put it in each bag so I know exactly what I would need. And I'll also pack my jewelry tomorrow because I try to wear most of my jewelry on the flight so I don't have to worry about getting lost, stolen, or tangled. So all that stuff I'll do in the morning. So that is it for tonight. I'm going to shower, do a self-tan, get myself ready for Florida, and then just relax and hang out. So I'll show more of my packing in the morning, but that might be on the next vlog because I want to get this vlog up today. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope my packing tips kind of helped. I am a hot mess right now, so I'm about to jump in the shower, but I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I will see you guys tomorrow.